So yesterday, I checked on my phone to see what my phone usage was like, and I was shocked to find out that over the past week, I'd spent more than 3 hours on average a day on YouTube videos. And so I began to ask myself, why waste my time and my talent just watching videos when I could be creating videos instead and providing values to others. So today I'm going to be talking about why you should start a YouTube channel. So firstly, why should you do it now? Well, firstly, YouTube is changing, and it has a lot more new features such as YouTube Shorts and YouTube Live, and so it's really easy to find what you want to do and find what you're good at. Furthermore, it's prioritizing newer creators as well, so it will be a lot easier to have more people look at your videos. There was actually a recent study from Oxford University that the average UK teenager spends about 2 hours on YouTube a day, so it's quite easy for people to come across your videos. So why don't more people start it then? Well, it's because they might be scared about what other people think, or they might think they're not good enough. And actually I was the same. So after my first video, when I went to school, I was really scared, and I couldn't even look my friends in the eye because I thought that maybe they saw my videos and I was scared of what they would think. But realistically, there's like 8 billion people in the world, and there's only a few people who saw my video. So there's like almost no chance that they would have seen it. So it's just imagined fear that's created by ourselves, and we don't really know what it's like before we try it, and we just imagine like things that probably won't happen. Secondly, it's good to transition from a consumer to a creator. So like I said before, I was shocked to find out that I had 3 hours more than 3 hours on YouTube videos in the past week. And so yeah, why not go and create videos for other people to see and share your ideas, and as long as you can impact one person, that would be fine. Furthermore, because of the internet now, it's easy for people to find their passion and to find what they like. So for example, if you like cooking, you can start a cooking channel, or if you like insects and animals, you could start a channel about nature, and so on. You could like name anything. And so it's easy to find something that you like doing, and creating a channel about something that you enjoy doing is really good for your mental health, as a study suggests by BBC that 95% of people who create something about something they enjoy end up living healthier lives and end up being more happy. Thirdly, it also creates a digital legacy. So it's a bit like a time capsule where you can look back on the past and you can see your first videos and reflect on how much you've improved. So actually, my sister finished all the Harry Potter books when she was 5, and luckily my parents recorded videos of her reviewing the books, and it's really nice for us as a family to sit down and just reflect on how much my sister has come in her YouTube journey. Fourthly, it can also lead to personal growth, and it can give you more skills. So one of them can be presenting. So I remember when I was younger, I always used to like hide in the back of the class, and whenever the teacher wanted someone to present, I would just hide behind others. And I remember once I was picked by the teacher, and I was like really scared, and I didn't really know what to talk about, and I couldn't really find the words, and also like I couldn't keep eye contact with anyone either. But after doing YouTube, I've been able to improve, and now it's quite natural for me to look at people and have eye contact and to speak louder. Other skills are noting down things, because you have to take notes on research that you've found for your videos, as well as designing stuff, so like editing your videos and like making a front cover, and as well as communication. So Warren Buffett stated that one way to increase your income by 50% is to improve your communication, and YouTube helps this by doing like where you have to speak to the camera, or you have to like communicate on pieces of paper for your next video ideas. And so what you have to think about is that every video you do improves yourself by a tiny bit, and you have to think about like where would I be in 5 years and how much I would have improved by then. Also, it can also provide connections with others. So I remember I was watching a video by Ali, and so I was trying to change my sleeping routine because I was like waking up quite late, and I was trying to find out how to get up earlier and have a good morning routine. And so yeah, after looking at the video, I checked the comments, and all of them were about like their personal experiences and how much it's helped them, and that basically motivated me to carry on waking up early and doing my morning routine, because based on like the experiences of others. Yeah. And similarly, I had a friend called Tom, and basically he really liked origami, and it's quite uncommon actually for men to do origami, like for people to do origami in general as well. And so he couldn't really find any like-minded people at school, so when he made the first video, he was really surprised by the fact that people encouraged him, and how there were lots of people as well who also enjoyed origami as well. It can also help influence others, and so what I think is that as long as you can influence one person, that will be enough. And furthermore, it can create a ripple effect as well. Like when one person changes, maybe their family around them also change as well. And I remember a story actually. So there was a girl with her parents at the beach, and there were a lot of fish stranded by the shore when the tide withdrew. And so she began to help the fish back into the water. However, her parents said it's not really any use because you can't save all of them. However, the little girl said, well, I can save this fish and the fish next to it, and I can try and save as many as I can. So that's basically the mindset you should have when you create a video. Like, as it doesn't have to be a lot of people that you influence, as long as you influence a few, that would be really good as well. So as a conclusion, I think starting a YouTube channel is really good because it can provide value to others, and you can change people's lives, and it also helps you personally by providing you with skills such as presenting and communication, as well as your personal growth. So compared to me earlier when I was wasting 3 hours a day on YouTube, I feel a lot better about spending my time now creating videos and helping other people, and yeah, providing value to them. Thank you.